We're here at the Keene Johnson Plaza today to highlight and showcase Public Safety Day on campus. Student organizations in the safety-related fields such as fire safety, emergency medical care, and so forth get to come out and showcase what their programs do for the university and what they can do for our students on campus. Anytime we can highlight safety to our population, we take that opportunity because safety is a trade that and a concept that you can take with you throughout your entire life to apply those skills at home, in the workplace, as you make your daily walk.
What we're trying to do is educate the next generation on public safety so we can make public safety minded or safety minded decisions when we're going out and making leases, signing leases, buying homes, doing just everyday tasks. Just to understand the emergency response aspect and understand how fast fire actually is today.
Hats off to President Venson and the rest of the school for allowing us to come into such a special spot on campus and do something like this. The fire program here is recognized across the nation, has produced some great fire chiefs and great fire protection people. And so EKU has safety as a very high, if not the top priority on their list.